This is a control panel for our smart home installation. So if you look up here, you see our automation curtain is installed successfully. So that's just it. So all this switch, all this lighting system here will be controlled by this control panel. So now let's test the curtain, the smart curtain. If you look here, it is opening. Close it again. Listen, it pause. Play. Open. That's it. So this one is set. Let's go to the light. So everything is set. The outside spotlight is off. On it. On the spotlight. Spotlight is on. And you can switch it off here. So this is it. This one is running. So, and one thing about this, you can equally do all this with your handset, with your cell phone, your mobile phone. So wherever you are, you can control your home. You can control your home wherever you are. Yes. So now and you can make call with this control panel. So now this is our AC. You can switch it on and off. The AC is on. We switch it off. Then our smart curtain, you open it, you close it, then you come back to our sitting room. The running light, you switch it on. It's on. The running light is moving. Then you switch it off. Switch it off. Now it's off. On the track light, listen, it is on. Switch it off. So that's just it. Now you come over here. You on the spotlight. Sorry, the spotlight is on already. You switch it off. See, everywhere is dark. You on it back. Here is our chandelier. It's not yet installed. And the outside light. The light is on. So all these things, you can do it. Imagine you coming back from work and you're very tired. All these things you can control it with your cell phone. So this is how smart home is. And you can as well make call. Imagine you not having airtime on your phone and you're outside. You can say it's Kwambosco. So you can just dial it here. If I dial it, my phone will start ringing. So that's just it.